Artificial intelligence and crypto have finally collided, and the results are explosive. Billions are pouring into a new wave of projects, turning GPU power, AI training, and data into tradable assets. Render Network now moves over $70 million a day after shifting to Solana. The line between AI and blockchain is disappearing, and nobody knows what comes next. Welcome to the Crypto IQ, where we cut through the hype and show you what's really happening in crypto and blockchain. Today we're analyzing the AI-crypto convergence, how decentralized compute networks reward GPU providers with tokens, what distinguishes AI marketplaces where algorithms compete for performance rewards, the tokenized data protocols, monetizing datasets through smart contracts, infrastructure connecting AI networks across blockchains, real on-chain usage, separating working protocols from narrative tokens, and our assessment of whether this represents long-term structural shift or speculative bubble. Render Network, launched in 2017 by Otoy CEO Jules Erbach, pioneered blockchain-based GPU rendering. It connects artists needing compute power with node operators offering idle GPUs. After migrating from Ethereum to Solana in March 2023, Render achieved faster speeds and integrated with other decentralized infrastructure projects. Proof of render verification ensures accuracy before payments are released from escrow. The network supports 3D, VFX, gaming, and VR workloads, with 520 million tokens circulating and a cap of 644 million. In July 2025, Render began a US GPU trial for AI inferencing, reaching 80% utilization. Akash network similarly enables cloud compute marketplaces, while Bittensor builds a decentralized AI network, rewarding models for informational value. It emits 7,200 TEO daily, with 18% going to subnet creators. These systems act like Airbnb for computing. Developers rent processing power, and operators earn tokens. With high GPU prices, decentralized compute offers cheaper, censorship-resistant alternatives to AWS and Google Cloud. Platforms like SingularityNET, Fetch.ai, and Bittensor create machine economies where AI models trade and learn autonomously. Bittensor's TAO token, launched at $93 in 2023, peaked at $760 in 2024. Its 10.1 million supply mirrors Bitcoin's Dixon scarcity, with a halving set for December 2025. Nasdaq-listed firms Synaptogenics and Oblong acquired $17.5 million in TAO, signaling institutional confidence in decentralized AI. Ocean Protocol and Grass tokenized data, letting users sell verified datasets that train AI models, reversing traditional corporate data ownership. Verified contributors earn tokens, solving data scarcity while rewarding individuals directly. Fetch.ai, AutoNolers, and Alethea AI develop on-chain agents that execute trades, manage assets, and create NFTs autonomously, forming AI-driven DeFi ecosystems operating 24/7. Supporting infrastructure includes Filecoin for storage, Render for GPU compute, and LayerZero for cross-chain communication, enabling fully decentralized AI pipelines. Render, Akash, and Bittensor process real, on-chain demand. Render handles approximately $70 million daily, and Bittensor approximately $450 million. Others remain speculative, lacking measurable usage. Token inflation remains a risk, though halving events like Bittensor's aim to balance supply. AI and crypto have merged into one ecosystem, competing with cloud giants like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft for computing market share. Render and Bittensor already process real transactions, proving decentralized AI works. The challenge now is scaling cost and performance. Institutional investments, such as multi-million-dollar TAO purchases and Render's AI expansion, signal growing legitimacy. These systems offer cheaper, censorship-resistant alternatives, appealing to users who value decentralization over raw speed. The competition has shifted. It's no longer about creating the smartest AI, but controlling the infrastructure it runs on. And for the first time, that control may be distributed worldwide, not centralized.